Managing Director of the Public Hospitals Authority, Herbert Brown, has been reinstated to his position following a decision in the Supreme Court.
Brown's attorney, Obie Ferguson, says the courts agreed with their position that there were no grounds for the action.
The letter that's supposed to be a letter of suspension ended up being a letter of administrative leave for 2 weeks. The letter never said anything about what he did wrong. So it was difficult for us to figure out whether he came to work late, whether he is off the property when he ought not be there. There was nothing in it to suggest what he did wrong. And the rule of natural justice requires a public officer is not a regular worker. A public officer has statutory protection. There are procedures that must be followed. And what we're examining really is the process by which they use to arrive at the decision to put him on administrative leave. That we're not questioning the authority. We're questioning the procedure